Day, New Year's Eve.
Last day of 2023, baby!
There you go, Suave.
We made it to West Palm Beach!
Yep. On our way back to the boat. It's New Year's Eve. Santa Mina's Lee and where? Yeah. Alright, we're off to get the sails out. First time, so just leaving. It is New Year's Day, and we're just leaving Blackwater. Oh, we got the main up. The reef line was too short for the way that I had it rigged, so I'm gonna have to try and re-rig that. But
We are sailing.
we are sailing.
No engine.
We just got the sails back down, so
Oh my gosh.
that was insane.
Exhilarating!
Very exhilarating. So this is the calmest day we've seen in forever. I think it's only what, 5 to 7 knots out here, and we're not even far offshore.
We were up to easy 6.5 knots. I think we were cooking so much it was close to 7 knots.
It's a fast boat. Taking a look at the anemometer today. As you saw me up the mast, this thing, when we plugged it into the back of the unit, it actually read, but it's actually not working now. And so I just opened that up, took a look, and what I actually found was a little wire here that had sort of split through. What I'm going to do is end up just re-terminating the end. So I've just cut the ends, and then I'm just going to go through and re-terminate it. Historically, this has just gone straight to 180 and it hasn't moved off 180. Today we're heading out to get the sails up the second time. Looks a little rough out there, but we'll give it a go. You're doing fantastic. These are big swells. And they're really choppy. They're coming from all directions. The captain's got us sorted.
Just want to get back to the harbor.
Drinking a sundowner.
Sundowner time. Look at our view. Downtown West Palm Beach.
We actually just cleaned the isinglass today as well.
With baby oil. Recommendation from another boater. We're buckling down for the next, what, 3 days of weather? Tonight is gonna be winds up to 25 miles per hour. And then tomorrow, all day, super windy, gusts up to 34, 35. Tuesday is going to be really, really windy, winds up to 45 miles per hour. And you can kind of see some storm clouds on the horizon. Buckle your seatbelts.
Afterwards, or at least it looks like there's an opening for a crossing. So
Yeah.
We'll see.
Dun dun dun, life by the weather.
What a beast. Just ahead of the storm. Baked beans.
I should be showering.
Yeah, we've got an update. This is day 12. It is a Monday. We're still waiting for our crossing, and today's been an absolute shitty day.
Mondays remain shitty. Our Blackwater tank. Sounding good now. Nice and empty.
Now it sounds empty. Yeah.
So this morning we, well actually it was yesterday, we started to smell some sewage smell. And we came in here and looked and we were like, okay, yeah, it's pretty dry. It's dry. We didn't see anything different. And this morning, more sewage smell. Opened this up.
This is also where we sleep.
Yeah, this is where we sleep. Our heads are here. The wafting of our shit just gently over our faces all night long.
Like a cool summer breeze.
So this morning, we noticed worse smell. Like, well, better check.
It felt
Come down
stronger.
here.
It was wafting.
There's just not shit, maybe just sewage coming out of the top of this, all in the bottom.
Leaking out of here and pooling down here. Our tank is supposed to warn us when it's getting full. So we had no idea that what is now hollow was completely full. And to a point where it was spilling over the top and into our bilge. That spoiler alert alerted us to the fact that we needed to do a pump out. So
Emergency shit situation.
an anchor up again for the second time this morning.
Our first situation this morning was getting the anchor up and moving anchorages because we thought we were too shallow. And there's a big storm coming, so tomorrow is supposed to be 40 mile an hour winds. Got to Palm Harbor Marina. They did a lovely job helping us with a rocky docking situation.
Nick came in way too hot.
Getting off the dock was equally as tricky, and
Doing donuts in reverse, trying to get control over the boat. Realizing that I actually don't know how to drive this boat at all.
our friends,
It's
meanwhile
embarrassing.
our friends who are just the kindest people ever, spotted this spot on the city dock. They were waiting for us when we arrived, freaking out already.
Trying to thread the needle in between all of these other boats that are sitting out there on anchor. But we got here.
Thinking we can finally breathe again. Sure enough, the one boat that's been bouncing off all the other boats because it's been abandoned the last couple of days and keeping us up all night, decides that it's going to park right in front of us. Good news is tomorrow looks like it might be a good day to cross, so we reckon we might be out of here